Does your mind tune out when people talk about technology? Or even when they mention the word technology? Hyperautomation, computer vision, artificial intelligence, blockchain, biotechnology, 3D printing, nanotechnology. Whether you like it or not, some of the technologies behind the words I mentioned to you just now will make your job roles and careers obsolete in the next 5 to 10 years. Paper qualifications itself would not be sufficient to make us indispensable at a time where technical expertise is easily outsourced from anywhere in the world. Teams and projects would be increasingly referencing these terms and using the technologies behind them. Not being up to date or simply turning a blind eye would give technology the chance to knock you out when you're least expecting it. The famous boxer Mike Tyson said, "Everyone has a plan until they get punched in the face." If you don't know what these technologies mean, if you don't know how to use them at your workplace, if you have no clue how to get started, and if you are not a tech person, this course is designed specially for you. I guarantee you, at the end of this course, you would be able to hold your ground at any tech conversation and even throw a couple of punches yourself. Join me at the UCL Leadership Development Program. Let's take on technology like a pro.